Are you tired of shower valves that just don't deliver the performance you need? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Delta Multi-Choice Universal Shower Valve. The Delta Faucet R1000-UNBX-HF Multi-Choice Universal Shower Valve Body. Priced at about $52.90, this product really caught my attention with its promise of versatility. If you want the freedom to upgrade your shower trim without tearing up your walls, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Delta Multi-Choice Universal Valve is designed to work with most Delta trim kits, meaning you can easily switch up your shower style whenever you want. It's compatible with various plumbing methods and has universal connection options, so no matter how your plumbing is set up, it should fit right in. This valve's brass construction adds to its durability, ensuring you won't have to worry about leaks or premature wear. Plus, more than 1,000 units have been sold in just the past month, showing it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky if you're not a DIY pro. Here's the thing though. If you follow the instructions carefully and maybe watch a tutorial or two, it's manageable. Just keep in mind, if you're totally new to home improvement, you might want to get some help. This is perfect for you if you're looking to customize your shower without a major renovation. Skip this one if you want something that comes with a complete shower head setup right out of the box. For what you get, this valve is a solid investment. Now, if the installation hassle bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Shower Head Shutoff Valve. The Shower Head Shutoff Valve by SYDIZN, priced at just $9.99. Honestly, I was surprised at how simple yet effective this little valve is. If you need a reliable way to control water flow in your shower, this is definitely worth checking out. So, here's why this matters. This stainless steel valve fits standard half-inch connections and is perfect for shutting off the water when you're lathering up or cleaning the shower. It features a leak-proof design that prevents any pesky drips, which is a common annoyance. With a maximum operating temperature of 325 degrees Fahrenheit, you know it can handle the heat. Plus, it's designed to endure over 250,000 on-off cycles, meaning it's built to last. A few hundred customers have already bought it this month, so it's gaining traction. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit stiff to turn at first. Here's the thing. After a few uses, it loosens up nicely, and you'll appreciate that it won't accidentally turn off while you're showering. If you're someone who needs a quick and easy way to manage water flow, don't let this minor issue deter you. This is perfect for you if you want to save water or need a quick shutoff for your RV or home. Skip this if you're looking for something more complex with multiple functions. For under $10, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for enhancing your shower experience. Product number 3, Black Showerhead and Faucet Set. Let's talk about the Black Showerhead and Faucet Set from Optimum, which you can snag for $39.99. I really liked the modern aesthetic of this set. If you're aiming for a stylish upgrade to your bathroom, you're going to want to hear more. This set includes a 6-inch stainless steel shower head and a single lever handle, which makes it super easy to control your shower temperature. Designed to fit standard US plumbing connections, it's straightforward to install without any major renovations. The matte black finish gives it a sleek look that's not just trendy, but also resistant to water spots. Customers have been buying this like crazy, with over 500 sold recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, a few reviews mentioned that it doesn't come with a bathtub faucet, which can be a deal breaker for some. However, if you're strictly looking to upgrade your shower and don't need a tub spout, this shouldn't be an issue. It still provides a fantastic shower experience. This is perfect for you if you're redoing your bathroom and want a cohesive, modern look. Skip this if you need a full bathtub and shower combo. For what you pay, it's a stylish and functional choice. Now, if you're looking for something even more premium, the next product is a step up in terms of features. Product number 4, Shower Faucet Set with a 10-inch square rainfall shower head from IEURASG, priced at $74.69. This one really stood out to me with its promise of a luxurious shower experience. If you're looking to turn your shower into a mini spa, this could be exactly what you need. What I love about this set is its air pressurization technology that mixes air with water to increase pressure by 50%. This means you're guaranteed a powerful shower even if you have low water pressure at home. It also features a dual function with both an overhead rainfall and a handheld spray, giving you options for your shower experience. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it's durable and won't rust over time. Plus, with over 500 units sold recently, it's clear that others are loving it too. However, some users did mention that the installation could be complicated due to the number of parts. Here's the thing. If you're comfortable with a bit of DIY, it's totally worth it for the luxurious experience you get. This is perfect for you if you crave that spa-like experience at home. Skip this if you want a no-fuss setup right out of the box. For the features and quality, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're after the best of the best, the final product on this list might just take the cake. Number 5 is the Delta Arvo 14 Series Brushed Nickel Shower Faucet Set, which comes in at $124.99. I was genuinely impressed by the dual shower head feature and the overall design. If you want a premium showering experience, this is definitely worth your attention. This set includes the Intuition 2-in-1 dual shower head system, allowing you to use both a fixed and handheld shower head at the same time. Talk about flexibility. The brushed nickel finish is both stylish and resistant to corrosion, ensuring it looks great even in a wet environment. Plus, the Spot Shield technology helps resist fingerprints and water spots, keeping it clean with minimal effort. Given that 500+ units have been sold recently, it's a popular choice for a reason. Now, some users have mentioned that the price is on the higher side. Here's the thing though, the quality and versatility you get with this set makes it worth the investment if you're looking for a long-term solution. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end, feature-rich shower system that looks fantastic. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or need something simple. For the quality, it's a worthwhile splurge. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Delta Arvo 14 series because it combines style and functionality seamlessly. As for the one to avoid, if you're not ready to invest, the IUERSD might not be for you. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.